yabo, and understand ukuthi why you get your like yini wenza ukuthi ufike la kuzana yini oyenza ku industry ne uma ngabe ucula yini ozoyigaina because you can't just sing and then just and then yabo.
Let's talk about the support from other female artists. Do you feel like ikhona support from other female artists that you get elokuzaneni kuyona kwigame ikakhulukazi laba okanye nabo manje wa hot njengawo from Uzincu Malo, I would mention abonaledi Aphiwe, Nofundo Mo and things like that?
Yeah, I do get support, Shem. I don't want to lie because when you meet people like my stage, because sometimes you get shared like my stage is young and people like, yo, your performance was amazing.
You're doing great.
Listen, you are a star. I get people like Nkosazana daughter. She came to me like this year because a lot of people about Kulum Ganjalo know. I feel like some people they don't by confuse and competition.
Yes.
Like I always say, I tell my girls, that's how I work with all the girls. Don't put me or anyone on a competition. Even if someone will tell you to listen, the person I'm competing in the small you understand? Don't put that in your mind.
Keep it.
Just work. Because in that district, you're trying to be nice. To say, like, be smart. One thing I bro, like, you're into competition serious.
Because I want to know the backstory of it. Like, even like from the beginning. Yini le engaga ebangwayo with Naledi Aphiwe kwenzakalani nazana
ufuna isifike lapho why
nazana even because I mean owasenanda ungwaseshowe kwenzakalani
wazambezana khona nosisi wami.
Okay.
I remember this other time she said that she want me to help her.
Okay.
She will come and chop it cause like
because I want to know the backstory of it like even like from the beginning. Yini le engaga ebangwayo with Naledi Aphiwe kwenzakalani nazana
ufuna isifike lapho why
nazana even because I mean owasenanda ungwaseshowe kwenzakalani
wazambezana khona nosisi wami.
Okay.
I remember this other time she said that she want me to help her.
Okay.
She will come and chop it. Was like, okay, cool. So we did a song, but the song didn't work.
Okay.
First time there was this like trending picture until we got in a fight when my sister Osiswam Amahle ends the event. And so we be sending the event and I was booked as well. So you probably tell umengena lapha ufika nabantu abawu3 ukele. So yena wavela wathi kumele wangenisa everyone ebesemnyango efuna bangene like and ba complain bathi no you can't like cela ukuze nalabantu ufike nabo ngoba labantu obviously ngoba bekulayini abantu abazothenga ama tickets obviously abazokhokha bazongena
wayebookiwe yena noma
wayebook usisi wami.
Oh great azosebenza
so ahambe ke mehamba usisi wami efika ngakusasendlini athi cela irefund imali yami because ngicelile ukuthi uzoperform wena ungenisa abantu about like 12 people and ngenza imali vele nemali ukuthi kumele ngene that time ke ngoba eqiniso ngizokukhuluma la khona waqala mthuka keke wambiza ngamagama buhlungu ngiyabizwa la magama because like crazy wathi wena inganakile izinto all of those like
ubani koqala ukuthuka umunye
unaleto oqala ukuthuka Amahle. My sister sent me videos. I was like awasanda ama video amaningi yaweza usayibona this is hectic yo ngistressa nami lento lelo athule kuAmahle aphinde futhi emina amthuke futhi again amthuke ngathi nami mphendule watshelwe mina ngathi nami mphendule ngeke phela mase amphendula kanayo because kubhlungu mfethu like losing a child people or wabe ku situation where they look because abanye abantu abazali
so wamthuka
ngengane yakhe wamthuka umntana wakhe singana kile zinto uthane la ka sinte kanjalo and she cried my sister yo amakhala ngathi namaphendula and then that's when akhuluma lento ngoma wakhe.
All right. And now like isinjani ubudlelane benu njengamanje? Is it something that kusazwana completely kuyaclash kunake nazama ukuthi nihlale phansi nikhulume ngakho?
No, we didn't talk. Ayekho into esikhuluma.
Kodwa niyafisa ukuthi
kwagcina lapho nje kwaba nje la drama yenzakalayo and then valo kanti decide ukuthi listen let me just keep quiet now since like agcina ngidelile wathi ingqondo mayithathele. That's why I decided ukuthi no there's something wrong with the child. Sengimdala man. Ngeke.
Wasovesana wamzini.
That's no athi ngivele ngithule. Ngiyamthanda.
Yeah.
I'm being honest like
that's
I don't
nice.
have a problem.
I love that.
But angazi like you know umuntu let's say someone ngivele ngifike ngikuthuka ungalindele
Yeah,
sometimes uko confused hoyibo
kanjani manje
uma usozongithuka yabo
Yeah.
so and then nami ngathuka because in most cases ngiyabaziba abantu bajwayele bakhona bazama I feel like there's a team behind
eyamtshela ukuthi
delela umahuna ke manje so lesozotrenda nawe yabo because they know at the time so it's nice wazi ukutrenda actually into engiphatha kabi ukuthi afake inamba mu internet and then that's when the story started and right now angimthembi I'm being honest with my numbers so that's why I have 2 contacts le enginoba bengayishare it's fine I don't trust mina mfethu privacy is very very important you know yeah so angimthemba kwamanje in my space
okay ngiyakuzwa and that's okay ake sibuyele nike to the lovely